Hey everybody, it's ZGL and welcome back for more Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. In the last part, we had audio issues, of course, like usual. And this time I lowered my mic a little bit so you can hear the music and my voice. So let's just get this started. Okay. Okay. Now, as you can see, oh my gosh, it's Ricardo! No, I'm kidding. It's Barry. Or whatever he named the rival as. And we are gonna face him actually. Now I'm gonna reorder my team just because I want to. Gosh, I have a life too. Not only you guys. No, I'm kidding. Yes, I'm gonna put Shadow Ball in front. And I'm really ticked off right now. The reason why I am ticked off is because I recorded the whole thing beautifully. I have dialogue, I have jokes inside of it, but one thing, I forgot to press the recording button. And I was just talking to nothing but a game. My gosh, I am such a loner. No, I'm kidding. But seriously, I'm so ticked off right now. So, but, this back, because it makes me relax. And, this is also why I'm ticked off. Stupid double team! Gosh! And Shadow Ball keeps on missing. You keep on missing, I'll fight your little tail. Come on, Shadow Ball. You have been useless to me for a long time. I want your sadness to get through, come on. Okay, that's great, that's great. I'm sorry if I'm screaming too loud, I'm sorry. Yeah, super effective. I just need one more hit. If you miss, I will chew that tongue, the star tail of yours. Sorry, I just have a bad feeling. Yes! You're paralyzed. Well, your mama's paralyzed too. That's a bad joke, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I offended with your mother's paralyzed, I'm sorry. I just can't help it, my friend at school keep on saying these joke moments, and I got tired of them, you got me saying it. Hate that. Okay, now he's sending out Ponytail, which I am gonna send out. This is stupid because I do not have a water type, just because I am saving. Come on, this sucks. I'm gonna have to use Aqualad. Yep, Aqualad. Okay. Get this started. Let's say quick attack, I guess. Ponytail is a real good fire type. If I didn't pick Flare, Ponytail will be one of my fire type I will be using, but too bad. I'm sorry for not uploading last Wednesday, it's just because, recording trouble, sorry. But, bro, every week now, every Wednesday, yeah, actually, just because I want to get this LP done, I will do a video of Pokemon Platinum tomorrow. And hope you check the Triforce Shards channel, just because I am in that group, and I will be doing a video on that. So hope you can check me out. I will be doing an LP. What LP is it? Well, you have to find out. So shut up and look it there tomorrow. I'm kidding. Sorry. But bro, I will have a video on the Triforce Shards. Just link in my. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check the channel out, and there will be a video tomorrow. So yeah, let's start off with Giga Drain, I don't know what it's called, Giga Drain, whatever you want. Okay. Not bad, Bulbapedia. Not bad. Let's do one more, come on. Oh, okay, that was kind of kill right there. One more. We just need one more. I think so. I'm not sure. If you don't, I'm not sure. I will murder myself. I will use a Thunderbolt on my Pikachu. If I have Pikachu. Oh, that would be awesome. Using Thunderbolt on a fake Pikachu. That would be so awesome. Okay, let's just get this done with. Because we're on 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll make this video kind of long. Okay, that's great. Seriously? Ooh, that's cool. Okay, now he's sending out Roselia. Here comes Flare. No, it's not Flare. It's Batman. No, it's Superman. No, it's a flying monkey. No, it's a fire monkey. Damn. Okay, here's Roselia. Let's use a flame wheel. Okay. He's going great. He's going my way. Okay. Okay, there we go. Trainer Berry defeated. And that wasn't so bad, I guess. Shut up, Barry. We don't care. Okay. You'll be shocked by the growth next time we meet. Yes, he has a fabulous rock shots. So let's just go to heal up. And let's go on my bike. I haven't used my bike for a long time. I'm sorry, I had to say that. Guys, I can't get these racist jokes out of my head. Don't take me on, I'm not racist. I just can't get these out of my head. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's just get this over with. I want to continue with this. Actually, you know what, guys? Instead of Wednesday and Thursday every video, how about every day? Does that sound good? Because I might do that. I just need time to do it. But I will try to do every day if I can. There might be a reason, but I will try to do every day, guys. I'm not lying. I will try. And always look on Thursday on Triforce Shorts just because I have a video up every day. So, yes, now we're in Route. What is this? My fault for not knowing the logic. Route 29, don't blame me, gosh. Okay, Route 209. We're here. And I'm gonna give Domer the thing. And yes, it's all the way down here. I'm gonna give him the experience shirt just because he has grown one level. Well, he has grown one level because he was level 19 when I got him. So, okay, this guy, he is the ultimate fighter. You wanna know what team he has? Well, you have to find out next episode because it's evil like that. Haha, no, I'm kidding. Okay, this is the most awesome team ever. Ready? Ready? Yes, he has a Charizard, and he has a Kyogre, and a Groudon. Yeah! Nah, I'm kidding. He has even better, a Purdue, and I have a Bulbapedia. And I just put Bulbapedia just because I want to get more levels. And I'm gonna just switcheroo because I thought I was gonna have something different. I'm gonna have Flare. Come on, Flare. Okay. Whatever. I don't care. Flame wheel. Well, even firepower was weakened. We still took you down because you suck. But dude, nah. Funny joke, right? Nah, I wasn't. Okay. Let's see. Since we're gonna get Eevee out, who should he get? Who is the chosen one? Let's go Flash, since he has Mach Punch. Oh, my back hurts. Let's go Mach Punch. And yeah, I go Eevee. Going, okay, good, level 21, we're getting up some levels. Okay, here's Bomb's line. This is the one I want them to do to her. Or Bulbapedia. Okay, that's just thing. You know what's weird? My friends have played Pokemon before, but they always think Bonsly is a grass rock type. I'm like, I told him Mars said, he's only a rock type. And they bet me $5 see, to see the stat and see what is it, a rock for my size, or a rock and grass. They looked at it, they were so cocky that they turned on the Nintendo DSR, they looked it up, and then they saw rock, they got me $5. $5. Cinco. Yep. Let's keep up Bulbapedia. I think after this fight, I'm at the end of the video. Well, this is one negative. Okay. Massive car, whatever. Oh, did you just do the middle finger at me? Oh, I'ma pwn you. I'ma pwn you. Massive. Okay, almost done with this fight. Okay, clear. Albert. It's a guy? No, nah. So, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more for Let's Play Pokemon Platinum. See you tomorrow for my new video and the trifecta. Late. Peace.